Alright, I'm back. Hopefully this sounds better now. They keep trying to censor me. So, I'm on a rant to let my lawyers know who they're messing with, because they think they're representing me, but obviously they don't know who I am. This judge dismissed and bat her eye to me being set on fire and my children burning alive in front of me while I was trying to save them on fire. The bottom layers of my skin were scraped off. My back was scraped off to staple onto my arms and my legs. None of this was considered in court. We were only in court to decide if it was worthy enough to take on GM. Well, I worked for a guy, works for GM, and he sued GM because of his boss dumping barbecue sauce all over him and won $100,000. So this justice system ain't so just, is it? Doesn't really make a lot of sense. So I'm sorry my attorneys don't know who the fuck they're messing with. Yeah, this is a woman that lost her children and was set on fire and watched her children burn alive. No, I'm not going to take my video post down of Judge Leslie Kim Smith and letting everyone know her decision. I already talked to the Detroit detective. Not using her name was not part of the deal. I told the judge, I'm not threatening this judge. I told the detective, I'm not threatening this judge. I'm letting everyone know her decision, and you're welcome for letting your county know that this woman doesn't care if their children burn alive to get rid of these vehicles. Somehow it's not listed on our insurance policy that after 12 years, if your children burn alive in a General Motors vehicle, that they will not be liable. So, to my attorneys, I'm so sorry you don't know who you're messing with, and that my just and my peace comes from letting people know this woman's mistake, because obviously my attorneys who fought General Motors several times before and been on all the networks can't pull a fucking single network to have any awareness about this. So if you're more concerned about the judge's reputation than mine, I think we know what side you work for. Yeah? Because I'm not breaking any freaking rules. I already talked to the detective. I'm not breaking any rules. Go cry a river, lawyers, because you're the ones that's going to answer to this judge because you didn't deliver me properly. Is that what it is? These judge, attorneys, lawyers are all bought by General Motors. Go ahead and prove me wrong, attorneys. You know what I feel about you. Half of you are fucking just as big of perverts as General Motors. So I know your secretaries are working really hard because none of the men I signed contracts with have ever spoken to me again. So I know your secretaries think it's probably not a good thing, and you told them that I can't be saying stuff about the judge. Well, yes, I can. It is my right, and I'm not doing anything wrong. So I dare you not to represent me in court. And it's been 3 years, so I know I can't get any more representation. That's fine. Your problem is my sovereignty isn't met in court. You just made me the strongest woman ever to live because you dismissed me in court, and now I will act accordingly. So I dare you to show your true colors again, you fucking judges. I dare you, attorneys, to drop my case. And I'm going to let everyone know with a big blowhorn in the street why you dropped my case, why Apollo sits in front of the courthouse, what GM really means, and why they are the freaking capital of Admiralty Maritime law, and that municipal court answers to General Motors. So maybe I'll just find some barbecue sauce or something, and those degenerates can pour barbecue sauce on me instead of setting me on fire and my children on fire. Maybe we would have a better case. Like, we just fell on the wrong side of justice. Well, that's just because your justice system doesn't fucking work. So, attorneys, lawyers, GM, municipal court, you don't know who you're messing with. I'm sorry for that. I'm not taking down any fucking posts. Cry me a river. You don't want to represent me? You're not doing a good job anyway. You're more concerned about the judge's reputation? I haven't done anything wrong. The Detroit judge The Detroit detective and I have already had this talk. So I just had to get that off my chest, and everyone's surveillancing me and all of my content anyway. So no, I don't have to remove any posts. I dare you to not represent me. I dare you to bat your eye to me like this judge. And what you should be doing is batting your eye to my fucking little social media content. If that's so fucking scary, then I'm doing my fucking job.